I just died. Why? Degrees and humid. Oh my gosh, is it ever humid today? Woo-wee. So life changes. I'm no longer employed, and the last week I have been not necessarily boxing stuff up, but just kind of like cleaning and organizing and grouping things together. That way when I actually go to make the move, the boxes won't be just mismatched. Everything will be in like boxes, and I've been throwing away a bunch of clothes. I was looking on Facebook, and I mean, oh my gosh, I've got some really, really old clothes. So they need to be thrown away. So the move to Ashland is coming up really soon, just here in a couple of weeks. I haven't ridden a bike in a week. We've been under the weather. The county has been literally under the weather. It is freaking stormed like every single freaking day. It has rained and stormed, at least at some point during the day. And I have been super busy. So, yeah, no time to ride. But it's 95 degrees today and humid as crap. And I am tickled to death to be on this bike today instead of the Venture. Because as awesome as all that fairing is to keep the bugs and the wind off of you, and keep you warm in the wintertime, it works in reverse in the summertime. You freaking burn up. So, I'm happy to be out here and getting my suntan and riding around a little bit on this bike. Getting all this nice airflow. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna kick off of here. I'm wishing everybody safe paths always. Cody out.